Now to Washington and questions about President Trump's China trade strategy and where negotiations go from here. Kayla Tausche has more.
From the diplomatic room of the White House, President Trump addressed the weekend's mass shootings, but took to Twitter to address China, calling the country's currency moves today historic and calling it to the attention of the Federal Reserve. President Trump also saying China has always used currency manipulation to steal our businesses and factories, hurt jobs and depress wages, and harm our farmers' prices. The missives in response to news China would stop buying U.S. agricultural products. That triggered by Trump's threat of new tariffs. Chinese state media said that threat violated the terms of Trump and President Xi's agreement back in June. President Trump had been pushing China to buy more farm goods, not less, to offset the impact on red states as a trade deal remains elusive. China experts say Beijing is unlikely to budge in the coming months, even as that September tariff deadline looms. With President Xi under pressure from protests in Hong Kong, U.S. arms sales to Taiwan, and a sagging economy.
The danger that I see going forward is that the president is not factoring in or not appreciating what's happening with Chinese domestic politics.
In a text, an outside ally of the White House described President Trump's new tariff threat as a real miscalculation and one that might be difficult to undo. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Kayla Tausche in Washington.